Hi folks, what I want to do here is just show you very quickly how you can use your calculator to calculate a lot of averages for you. So what I'm looking at here is page 147 of your textbook, and in this example it's asking you to calculate the mean from that table of data. Now, of course, you do have to be able to calculate the mean, the median, the mode, the range, all those types of things. You need to know how those calculations work. But most of the time at A-level, we actually just want to get our calculator to do the work. And that's for speed, if nothing else. So, for example, if we want to put this table into our calculator, we can just type those numbers straight in and it will give us all the data that we need. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So what you have to do is in your menu, you want to go to number 6, which is statistics, and you want one variable. So number 1, this is one variable data. And what you'll get there is you'll get a table straight away. So it's asking you here for whatever the values of X are, so whatever the variables are, and you've got a frequency column here. Now, if you don't have that frequency column, that's just a setting that is not currently in action on your calculator. So what you need to do, if you don't have a frequency column there, is you can press Shift and Setup, press down, and press number 3, statistics, and then simply it says frequency on or off. So at the moment, if you're not showing that column, you must be off. So just press number 1 and it should go back to your table, and if you didn't have a column before, you should have one now. Now we can type our numbers in. Now, of course, this table here is sort of landscape, and the table here is always in these columns, so we just need to make sure we're putting in things carefully. So for number of eggs, so our values of X, we want to go through and just put 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is just very simple to just go through, put 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It automatically fills in the frequency with 1. Now, of course, if you did just have one of those numbers, you could leave that as 1, but we want to go back. So using your arrows, just go back up and say, right, for number of eggs 2, we've got a frequency of 4. For number of eggs 3, we've got a frequency of 9, etc. So we can go through and we can type in those relevant numbers. Okay, so what we've got now, and I'll just use my arrow button to go up, we have got the same table here that we have in our book, and we want to work out the averages. So again, all we have to do is press the option button, OPTN, and then if we press number 3 for one variable calculations, then it basically gives us a list of numbers. Now, what we've got here is we've got X bar. So X bar, and X bar is the mean, and that's 3.925. Now, as we can see, that's exactly what we've got in the book, which was used, obtained using the formula. Our calculator's done that for us. It's then got quite a few other calculations, folks. Now, we will be using more and more of these as we go through our work. So just to give you a flavour, the sum of X just means if you added up all your X values, they would add up to 157, okay? The others that we're probably interested in for now are on the next page down. So if we press down, then what we've got here is N is 40. So we've got 40 values in total. You can see that's actually stated in the table, but our calculator's done the count for us. Min, that's just our minimum value. So our smallest value of X is 2. Okay. Q1 and Q3 are our quartiles. So the lower quartile is 3. The median is 4. The upper quartile is 5. And if in case you need it, you can press down again, and the maximum value of our x's is 6.